Hello. I wish I could be there in person with all of you today, but I'm glad at least to have this chance to join you by video. I want to thank the Massachusetts Association for Sober Housing and the National Alliance for Recovery Residences for leading today's training. And I also want to recognize several state officials who have worked so hard to set up this program, including DPH Commissioner Monica Burrell and State Representative Liz Malia and State Senators Jen Flanagan and John Keenan. You all have made a really big difference here. We all know that opioids are taking a terrible toll on our families. And boy, we need all hands on deck to fight this epidemic. That means federal, state, and local governments working together with local law enforcement, medical professionals, members of the community. Sober living homes can be an effective recovery service for those suffering from substance abuse disorder. And we have a responsibility to ensure that these facilities are delivering individuals the kinds of services they need. By bringing together sober home owners and operators, today's training session and the voluntary sober home certification program helps strengthen the quality of recovery programs available in our Commonwealth, and they help increase access to these resources for the people who really need them. You know, I'm so proud that Massachusetts is leading and innovating in this area, and I am doing my best to do my part in the Senate to get individuals the support they need. That's one of the reasons that I recently sent a bipartisan letter to the Government Accountability Office calling for a review of federal and state oversight of sober homes. So I want to thank you again for being part of today's training and for your efforts on behalf of patients and their families, everyone fighting addiction. You know, your work makes a real difference in our communities, and I look forward to continuing to work together.